Hi guys and welcome to my kitchen. So today we're gonna do critharotto with mushrooms. We're gonna need critharaki. Critharaki is a Greek pasta variety. It looks like rice grains and it's also called orzo or rice noodle in German. We're also gonna need olive oil, cheese, parmesan and gorgonzola, vegan cream, onion, garlic. For mushrooms I'm gonna use champignon and chanterelles. It's also in season, herbs and spices, and that's it you guys, so let's get started! Guys, the critharotto with the mushrooms is ready, so we're gonna serve it and try it out together. It's so creamy. I'm gonna put some fresh onion on the top. It's so good. So good. So you guys, that's it with today's video. The critharotto with the mushrooms is so delicious, creamy, super easy to make it and very rich in flavor. I hope you like it. You can find the recipe in the description box down below. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Ciao!